Okay, this is one of the auctions that that I'm having problem with. People say that the auction includes power cords. Well, this is a eBay case that's been open for item not received, but it shows us delivered. But this is the only way that I can show a snapshot of the auction. Again, this is eBay. There's the date, time and date down there. Alright, so we're looking back at the auction. So this item sold for $30. And the reason why I sold it at this price, I stripped everything down. I said that there's no power cords included. I gave free shipping, and it was $30 just for the power supply. I'm gonna scroll down, scrolling. We're finally getting to the auction description. Alright, here is where in the auction it says power cords are not included. And then I also give, please visit here for reliable power cords, modelprice.com. And then it goes down to the video that's on the auction. So even though this is a stock photos that came with it, but still I said please read carefully, and I said power cords are not included. Now the same thing goes for my 24 volt auction and my 36 volt auction. I didn't give any power cords on any of those auctions between the dates of Wednesday the 29th up until Tuesday morning the 5th. So anything that got shipped in between that period did not get shipped with any power cords whatsoever. So I mean, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to be misleading to anyone. I'm selling these at an awesome price, and there's no way that I could really offer everything with it and free shipping and all of that. Every little bit helps, because when you look at this price here, eBay takes 10%, and then PayPal takes another 3%, and then, you know, shipping is $12.65. So where else can you find a power supply for $17-18 plus shipping? I had to omit some stuff, and like I said, power cords was one of those things that I omitted to offer you this power supply at this price. And again, this is just this is an auction snapshot. Like I said, this is a case that's open for item not received, but it gives a snapshot of the auction for this is the sale date of April 29th. So since April 29th, I've been running the sale, and like I said, it's for $30, and the snapshot of it. Scroll down, power cords are not included. So I mean, I'm sorry if it was misleading, but there were probably like 20 or 25 orders that I shipped out this way. I thought everybody was well aware of there being no power cords included on this. So I thought y'all were taking advantage of it and going here and getting cheap power cords. Because the way that I figured, $30 plus, even if you had to spend $5 or $6 for power cords, so $36, $37 for a power supply is still pretty good. So that's the way that I thought of things. I didn't think I was misleading or anything like that. But that's where I stand. And I've edited my 12 volt auction, my 24 volt auction, and 36 volt auction with the same thing. So I mean, I'm sorry if you feel burned, but I mean, I have to stand my ground on this.